Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today's Monday, January 26th. Well, I would call today's action in the market a subtle improvement. Now, we haven't had a breakout to the upside that would mark a turning point, but there was enough evidence today to say a subtle turn happened today. Doesn't jump out at you, but I think the look is there for a continuation on the upside tomorrow. And if we can get our little breakout tomorrow, I think we'll have another up wave going. Okay. So we'll take a look at the major indexes. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. But coming in tomorrow, I have another idea, and that idea will be on the long side, and it will be Hecla Mining, which is a silver mining company. The symbol is HL. So in just a moment, we'll take a look at that chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take that idea and turn it into some money. And then we'll also take a look at all our major indexes, and I'll show you that subtle little change that happened today. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of Hecla Mining. The symbol is HL. And this is a call on the long side. We're looking to buy this stock tomorrow, just about where it closed, $2.50 a share, $2.54. Maybe pulls back to $2.35 areas, down in here. But anywhere around last night's close would probably be a good entry spot. My target on the upside is $4.20. It's this pattern right here that I think probably might give it a little bit of trouble the first time up there. Sell stop would be a close below that level right there, which is $1.63. Okay, why do I like it? And we've got a steady uptrend going, which translates also into ascending triangles. You see right here, this triangle here we broke out of. Now we've pulled back into it, and we're getting ready to go again. Now if you see the character of this stock, how it moves up, it consolidates, pulls back, moves up, breaks out, pulls back, consolidates to support, and now I think it's getting ready to go again. That's why I say this is a reasonable target. If we buy it around 250, I think there'll be enough power in the stock to get it up to this area before she wants to pull back and correct again. So that's what we're going to try to accomplish. We're going to try to accomplish catching this next move to get it up to around 420, somewhere up in this area. We'll let it go, and then we'll take another look at it when it pulls back, because you can see that's the character of the way it's moving. Up, down, up, down, up. We'll get out, back down, we'll get back in again. So let's recap that. That's Hecla Mining, HL. It's a call on the long side. When it's all said and done, we'll probably make ourselves, I'd say $1.70. Okay, let's go take a look at the major indexes. Okay, once again, we're looking at a daily bar chart of the Dow Jones averages. And this is the spot where the battle's been going on for a couple of days, right in here. And today, a little subtle, we call this little man in the boat. We have a little higher high here, a little lower low there. And to me, it looks like it's trying to turn the corner right in here. So that's why I call it a subtle change. And if we can get a move up into here, clearly then we've broken this downtrend, and we're going to start another uptrend. And the Russell 2000, like I said, this subtle change does not jump out at us. And I'm sure a lot of people will say, well, it doesn't look any different, and it doesn't look like it's a turn. But I think within a day or two, you might be you might be able to see the turn. And that's why I called it a subtle turn. Okay, and here we have the SPYs, which is basically the Standard & Poor's 500. And you can see the turn is a little bit more pronounced here. It looks more like the beginning of something than the other two charts I showed you. Also, it's happening at a key spot, how I see this market being this long-term support area that I talked about in yesterday's video. So to me, it would make sense for the market to make the turn here, and it looks to me like it's a subtle little turn that's just beginning to happen. And lastly, we have the QQQQs, and it looks a little bit more pronounced here also. I mean, you might even want to say that we're starting to get rising bottoms here. So that's what I see, that little subtle turn. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be more pronounced, and this pullback will be over and we'll get something going on the upside again. How far up, I'm not sure, one step at a time. But my initial target has always been this spot right here. So hopefully we can get above this and get somewhere up into this area, which I've been looking for days now. I never really anticipated this pullback, but we got it, and I do believe that we are now turning the corner. We're going to try this resistance area on the next move. Okay, so that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.